At Coe College, our new engineering physics major is designed to prepare you for the future, your future.
Are you ready to engineer your future with hands-on experiences using millions of dollars of cutting-edge technology?
Imagine the possibilities. Research opportunities across the globe and internships with leading innovators like Google X.
Since 1979, every physics major accepted into graduate school has not had to pay for advanced degrees, including PhD, turning dreams into discovery.
At Coe College, you'll do more than learn. You'll create, explore, and innovate.
This isn't just an education, it's a launchpad for your success.
With personalized mentorship and real-world applications, you will be ready to tackle the challenges of tomorrow.
Engineer your future at Coe College, where innovation meets opportunity.